Hello friends, welcome to VCreation Tech. In this video, we are going to learn about text selection. What is text selection? To copy or delete or cut or paste, we generally select the text, right? In this video, I will show you how we can select the text in simplest way. Let's take a look at this code. The cursor is currently at the beginning of the Ctrl Right line method. Let's say we want to select the Ctrl and Right line. Many developers who are not comfortable with keyboard switch to the mouse here. So they select the text using the drag and drop like this. Let's see how we can select the Ctrl and Right line without using the mouse. With the cursor here at the beginning of the line, you can hold down the shift key and then press the right arrow like this. This is the simplest way of selecting the text, and I guess you already know about this. So let's take a look at a faster way of doing this. In my earlier video, I showed you how we can use the Ctrl key to move the cursor one word at a time. Let's see once again. So I'm holding down the Ctrl key and then press right arrow. The cursor moves one word to the right. Now coming back to our example, I was going to show you a quick way to select the Ctrl and Right line. The cursor is here at the beginning of the line. Now I hold down the shift key to activate the selection and then use the Ctrl and right arrow to move the cursor one word to the right. The text got selected. Is that easier, right? Okay, now if I want to select the entire line, in earlier video, I explained about home key and end key. Home key represents the beginning of the line, end key to represent the end of the current line. So if you want to select the entire line, you can just put the cursor here at the beginning and then hold down the shift key to activate the selection and then press the end key to move the cursor to the end of the line like this. The entire text will get selected. In similar way, if the cursor is here at the end of the line, you can hold down the shift key to activate the selection and then press the home key to move the cursor to the beginning of the line. Wait a second. Is there any easier way to select the entire line? Yes, we have. If we want to select the particular portion, then only we have to use this command. To select the entire line, no need of holding the shift key and pressing on the end button. I will show you easier way to select the entire line. Just place the cursor at the beginning of the line or place anywhere line that you want to select. Then press Ctrl C to copy the entire line and Ctrl V to paste the copied line. That's it. In same way, to delete the line, press the Ctrl L or else hold down the shift key and press on delete button to delete the entire line. In same way, to cut the line, just use the Ctrl X. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.